If you're looking for a simple way to organize your home, office, or business, a Bluetooth label printer can be a real game changer. Compact, wireless, and easy to use, these printers let you create custom labels straight from your smartphone or tablet without the hassle of cables or complicated setups. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the top 5 of the best Bluetooth label printers available right now, comparing their design, features, and performance to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs. In the 5th, the ORGBROX1 portable Bluetooth label maker presents itself as a practical and versatile tool for anyone needing fast and efficient labeling, whether at home, in school, or at the office. With Bluetooth connectivity and a user-friendly app setup, this mini label printer can be operated within a minute and is half the size and weight of traditional label makers, making it convenient for one-handed use and easy transport. Its compatibility with the ZZ Label app unlocks access to over 15 languages, 95 fonts, and more than 550 materials, allowing for highly customizable labels that can include text, numbers, graphics, logos, barcodes, and QR codes. Equipped with thermal printing technology, the X1 delivers sharp prints without the need for ink or toner, saving users both time and money, while its built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides long operating times. The device supports both continuous paper and pre-cut labels and comes with a starter roll of 12 by 40 mm labels, ensuring water, oil, and abrasion-resistant results that leave no residue after removal. Customers appreciate its intuitive app, compact build, high-quality output, and reasonable pricing, particularly for simple labeling tasks. However, some note that proper alignment of the paper is essential for smooth operation, and while the printer is efficient, its features remain best suited for lightweight labeling rather than heavy-duty use. In conclusion, the ORGBRO is a reliable and cost-effective option for small-scale labeling projects, offering portability and customization. But it may not be the most robust choice for professional or high-volume needs. In the 4th place, the NIIMBOT Bluetooth label maker stands out as a compact and highly practical solution for school, home, and office labeling needs. Designed as an upgraded 2024 version, it delivers improved print quality and faster processing with high-speed chips and 203 dpi resolution, ensuring crisp and clear text without requiring ink or toner. Its portable size makes it easy to carry, while the built-in rechargeable battery charges in just 2 hours via Type-C for extended use. The device connects wirelessly through the NIIMBOT app, which supports batch printing and is compatible with both iOS and Android smartphones, though it does not work with computers. It features intelligent label recognition that automatically identifies the type of label inserted, offering flexibility for different formats such as clear, colorful, or round labels, and can create both simple and creative designs. This versatility makes it especially useful for school labeling, household organization, price tags, or small businesses. Customers appreciate its ease of use, intuitive app, and high-quality output that uses the label size effectively. Many find it reliable right out of the box, and particularly practical for children's school supplies and toy organization. However, some users report occasional connectivity issues when pairing with Bluetooth, which may affect consistency in performance. Overall, the NIIMBOT is an affordable and efficient option that combines portability, quality printing, and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for everyday labeling, with the small drawback of occasional connectivity concerns. In the 3rd, the Fomimo label maker stands out as a compact and portable Bluetooth mini label printer designed for home, school, and office use. Equipped with German thermal print head technology, it offers smooth printing, superior clarity, and fast processing without the need for ink, toner, or ribbons, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Its app supports over 1,000 symbols, 60-plus frames, and numerous fonts, giving users wide creative flexibility for personalized labels. The device is small and lightweight, with a rechargeable battery that ensures extended use, while its portability allows it to slip easily into a pocket. It is particularly useful for classroom organization, office labeling, storage, and small business applications. Customers appreciate its ease of use, quick setup, and stylish design, highlighting its excellent value for the price. However, drawbacks include mixed feedback on print quality and functionality, with some users reporting issues with connectivity and printing consistency. In conclusion, the Phomemo is an affordable and highly convenient option for those seeking a stylish, portable label maker with versatile features, though it may not satisfy users needing consistently high printing performance. In second, the Nelco Bluetooth Label Maker stands out as a compact and versatile device designed for both school and office organization. It is half the weight and size of traditional label makers, making it easy to slip into your pocket for portability. Equipped with BPA-free direct thermal technology and 203 DPI high-speed chips, it produces sharp, high-definition labels without the need for ink or toner. The built-in rechargeable battery allows for extended use, though users should note it does not support fast-charging adapters. Its app compatibility with iOS and Android offers over 90 fonts, 10-plus languages, and 450-plus materials, letting you design labels with text, QR codes, barcodes, images, and more. While its creative functions are broad, continuous label tapes are not supported, limiting certain projects. Customers appreciate its easy setup, Bluetooth connectivity, and ability to produce crisp labels up to 3 lines, though some point out that it can be restrictive in terms of advanced features compared to professional-grade printers. In conclusion, the Nelco is a cost-effective and practical choice for those seeking a lightweight, easy-to-use label maker for everyday tasks, especially for school and home use, but may not suit users needing continuous label options or advanced customization. And to finish, first of all, the Phomemo Thermal Label Printer is a versatile Bluetooth label maker designed for small businesses, home, and office use, offering over 300 templates within its app to create clothing labels, price labels, cable labels, jewelry labels, address labels, folder labels, and more, with a print width ranging from 20 millimeters to 50 millimeters, though it is not suitable for shipping labels. It features OCR technology that allows text recognition from images in just a few seconds, converting them into editable text directly, which can save a lot of time for businesses. Its thermal printing system eliminates the need for ink or toner, providing clear black and white prints that can be easily managed through the Print Master app, where users can design and customize labels freely. The compact design makes it highly portable, and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity with up to 33 feet range allows quick pairing within 5 seconds, ensuring fast and efficient usage. Customers appreciate the user-friendly app and compact design that makes it easy to store and transport. But feedback on print quality is mixed, as some users praise its clarity, while others report splotchy prints. Additionally, functionality experiences vary, with some customers finding it reliable and worth the investment, while others complain of it not working at all or being overpriced for limited features. Bluetooth connectivity also divides opinion, as some users experience seamless pairing while others struggle with connection issues. In conclusion, the Phomemo is a practical solution for those who need a portable and versatile label printer with useful features like OCR and customizable templates. But potential buyers should be aware of possible drawbacks in print consistency, functionality reliability, and connectivity stability, making it a device that suits light to moderate labeling needs, rather than heavy-duty professional use. To wrap up this top 5 of the best Bluetooth label printers, It's clear that each model has its own strengths to meet different needs, whether it's for home organization, school projects, or small business use. From affordable and compact options that focus on simplicity and portability to more advanced models offering wider functions and professional features, these devices make labeling faster, easier, and more efficient. No matter which one you choose, a Bluetooth label printer is a practical tool that helps you stay organized and saves time, turning everyday tasks into a smoother and more enjoyable experience. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.